So for this week, the most important thing is that you submit your data. And then obviously that once we have the data, we can start doing data cleaning and all sorts of stuff. So in terms of submitting the data, most of you are working in forms. So when you click on responses, it gives you a bunch of summarizations, right? What you need to do is open this into Sheets. Now this is probably similar to what it looks like for those of you who collected your own data. Obviously I had a bunch of qualitative stuff, so these, let me get rid of some of these ones that are just humongous. Oh, it doesn't like this, whatever. But you can see, do you like flip flash and blah, blah, blah. What you're going to do with your responses is you're going to grab all of your data. So what you want to do is copy and paste. So I'm going to go all the way to the bottom, come up here, even grab the column names, and then I'll go over for as many rows as I have. And then just do a copy, and then open up a StatCrunch window. So in StatCrunch, you're going to open StatCrunch, and make sure that you've highlighted variable 1. Sorry, I'm trying to make sure. And then do Control V. As you can see, it's going to bring in the column names as well as all of your data. Now, right now it's not saved, so you need to go to Data, Save, and then you can name this whatever your group is, right? So test for me. Now your data has been saved, and this is the link that you can give me in that discussion board. Only one person from your group needs to post it. And now if you go in here and you start cleaning things up and you decide like, oh, I want to delete this, or I want to do some summarization, like what could we improve? Okay, videos, shorter videos, just sort of summarize these things. This is old. And all that kind of stuff. Then you're going to go ahead and make sure anytime you do any adjustments, you press that save button again and save. Because unlike Google Sheets, this is not going to save any of your things unless you choose to do so. So that's what I want for this week, is just put that in there. There are other ways you can load data from Google Drive, but you have to link your Google Drive account. You could do it from a file, but I think the easiest thing is just copy and paste, make sure everything looks good, and then save your data with whatever name you want. So that's it for this week in terms of what you want to do for that piece. And then the data cleaning, I have that little like common issues thing, but hopefully once you guys post up some of your summary stats and some of that pieces, I'll be able to give you some feedback in the discussion board.